Second generation computers. Second generation computer period was 1955 to 1964. These computer generation used transistors as the processor. Every time you have to check which processor they used and what were the input and output devices and which memory they used in that generation and what were the computers they used. These 4 points are very important so that you remember. In this generation they used transistors as the processor, and they were compared to the first generation, the size was decreased here and lesser space for installation. And here the magnetic tapes, memory, this is the memory they used to store everything as the secondary storage or whatever. Storage is nothing but related to memory, and they consumed lesser power and therefore lesser amount of heat. In the first generation we discussed that it used to produce so much heat due to taking much electricity, but here what happened, compared to the first generation, somewhat lesser power, therefore lesser amount of heat was generated. Okay, somewhat decreased here. Okay, and they were highly reliable and lesser prone to hardware failures. Compared to the first generation, these generation computers are reliable. First generation computers were unreliable due to their inaccurate results, and they were about 10 times faster than the first generation computers because here the speed is increased, and high level languages were used to instruct the computers. In the first generation we discussed that only machine level and assembly languages were introduced. When come to the second generation, here high level languages were used to instruct the computers, and these computers were more versatile. Second generation computers are versatile, is nothing but multitasking capability is called as versatile. So second generation computers were used for multitasking and compared to the first generation computers, and high input output operations speed than first generation computers. And here the commercial production of second generation computers was limited and costly. Some are advantages compared to the first generation, but somewhat disadvantages also we had in this generation. So this was about second generation computer. Come to the third generation computer. The period was 1964 to 1975. Here they used integrated circuits. Shortly we can say ICs as the processor for processing all the actions. Integrated circuits, shortly ICs, were used as instead of vacuum tubes and transistors. So these were used in first and these were used in second. Come to the third, changes occurred using integrated circuits as the processors, and here size of the computers was smaller than early computers. So you have to observe that in the first generation and second generation, size is decreasing, speed is increasing. Advancement, this is the advancement from generation to generation. You have to underline size decreasing every time from generation to generation. And here the storage, magnetic disk, remember this point. Third generation computers consumed less power. First generation used more power. Second generation somewhat decreased. Come to the third generation, less power than second generation. Here what is happening in the power consumption also, it is decreasing the power consumption compared to the generation to generation, and these were more reliable compared to the previous generation computers, and high processing speed than second generation computers. And here you have to remember, whatever we are using today, monitors and keyboards were introduced during third generation. Input and output. And standardized high level languages also introduced in this generation, like BASIC, Pascal, COBOL. Maintenance cost of these computers also very less compared to the previous. and these are general purpose machines suitable for both scientific and commercial. Here what you have to observe is, in this generation size decreased, performance increased, power taking decreased, and reliable mode processing speed, new type of input output devices were introduced, and high level languages were also introduced. This is about third generation.